Good morning YouTube. So I've got two videos that I want to review and unbox today, and you'll see why, but if you just want to stick with me, I'll just show you quickly the first one I want to do. And this is a multi-purpose hand crank solar powered power bank radio, alarm, SOS, alarm all in one. And then I'm going to show you what all other things you can do with it, what comes with it, and why it's such a great gift for people or yourself. So first of all, I'll just get it out of its wrapper. And second, I just want you to imagine that there's a blackout, okay? You've got a blackout, you've got no lights, you've got no candles, nothing, and you thought, yeah, somebody such and such brother bought me a gift, and yeah, I'm gonna go get it out because I don't need no batteries for this, because it's solar powered for one, and two, it's got a hand crank on the back, and you simply just 1 second, I'll get it out. So that it just pulls out like this, and you just simply wind it like that, and it charges the battery. And for every 1 minute that you turn it, okay, you get 30 minutes of torch or 6 minutes of the radio. There's the aerial on the back, like that. So let's turn the radio on. Sorry, just get rid of this in my way. Sorry about that, everyone. So yeah, I'll just turn the radio. So there you go. Another great feature is it's got a torch here, and you've got 3 settings. You've got 1, 2 brightnesses, 3 brightnesses. On the front where the solar power is, you've got a reading light. Turn that round, pretty bright. Another great feature is, if you've got it with you, you want a torch, if you're going down a dark alley, anything comes along, you've got an SOS. This does 2 things. You press it just once gently, and it shows you how much charge you've got. You press it, keep it pressed, 2 seconds. Light, alarm and a light. How good is that? Now 3, you've got a power bank, a USB, and it comes with an Android phone charger, and it also comes with a iPhone charger. Now I'm going to show you something even great about this. After, it comes with a great strap. You just click it onto anything that you want there. AM FM radio, forgot to mention that. But here's the second product I wanted to review, and it's this digital wall clock. I'll just unbox it for you quickly. So here it is, and the reason why I did the power bank, should I say solar powered radio first, is because it comes with the USB to power it on, so we don't need batteries for it. So on the back of the wall clock here, we can see that's where it goes in. So it's in like that, if you saw. And then the USB, we can simply slot it into the back of our radio, like that. So we'll leave that there. And we've got our wall clock there, like that. Now the good thing is it comes with a remote control. You can have alarms. It's got the dates, it's got the temperature, and it's got the day, the temperature, and the dates. It's also got an alarm. So if you wanted to set your food while you're in the kitchen or wherever, let's just put it on for 2 seconds. And we'll stop the alarm. The alarm goes off. It's got a stopwatch, all different kinds of things. It's got different brightnesses, pretty much all sorts that you can work out on there. So yeah, that's why I wanted to show you. You can use the radio to pretty much power up anything. You're always going to have electricity if there's a blackout. What a great gift for people. And I hope this video has brought you some value. So please like and subscribe. Like I say, I am trying to grow this channel. I'm not in this for really financial gain. I really want to help give information and value out. But yeah, a like and a subscribe always helps. So if you want to get any of these, I've left the link in the description for you. And until the next time, have a good one, everyone. Cheers.